Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here today at Dam Square to celebrate our most important day in the history of human rights. 74 years ago, December 10th, 1948, a miracle document was adopted by the United Nations. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Most countries of the world have agreed to it. It says all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Its slogan for this year: dignity, freedom, and justice for all. And here today are Uyghurs, Tibetans, South Mongolians, and Uyghurs, and other Chinese whose human rights don't exist in the occupied East Turkestan, Tibet, and other regions in China. If their human rights are universal and absolute, then why is there a need for thousands for human rights organizations costing over $15 billion a year to fight for what the declaration states as absolute human rights? Then why after 74 years in their genocide in occupied East Turkestan against Uyghurs and others, where in the declaration does it allow government terrorism, millions in the concentration camps, organ harvesting, torture, rape, forced marriages, children taken, families destroyed? Every article of the declaration, all 30 are violated by the Chinese authorities. Pick and one result: genocide. Then why, with the declaration, has the genocide in occupied East Turkestan not been stopped? Why did the genocide even start? Why do I come to here every week and protest? A one-man protest. This is personnel. 19 family members are missing. More than 5 years. Not knowing if any are alive or dead. Imprisoned or suffered any atrocities. Many friends are missing. The evidence of the atrocities in the unconscionable and unbearable. My family is in the evidence for China's genocide against Uyghurs. I personally experienced their receiving aid of government-sanctioned genocide. I experienced their fear and helplessness under such tyranny. I see their lack of concrete result in the many human rights efforts by organizations and government despite in the declaration. So I fight on as one man can. And I will call the whole world to condemn and impose sanctions and punishments on the Chinese government so that the Uyghur genocide today will not be our legacy. And so the Universal Declaration of Human Rights would really be miracle document. Thank you very much for your attention. On behalf of the support Uyghur Stichting. Thank you.